सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का नाम तो सुना ही होगा, जिन्हें आप और हम पूरी दुनिया कैप्टन कूल के नाम से जानती है। कोई भी एक साधारण इंसान महान व्यक्ति कैसे बनता है, इन सब के बारे में बताएंगे आपको स्वयं महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जी, जिन्हें प्यार से हम माही भी कहते हैं। तो आइए आज हम नोटों और सिक्कों को अलग रख के हमारे और आपके जीवन से जुड़ी कुछ ऐसी घटनाएं, कुछ ऐसी बातें, कुछ ऐसे वाक्य जो यदि हम हमारे जीवन में अपनाते हैं तो हमारे जीवन का स्तर ऊंचा होता है और हमें अंदर से खुशी प्राप्त होती है कि हमने आज कुछ अच्छा किया। जब द करेंसीपीडिया की मुलाकात महेंद्र सिंह धोनी से हुई और वो और हम आमने सामने हुए तो क्या बातें हुई, क्या बताया उन्होंने इंदौर के बारे में, क्या बताया उन्होंने मोबाइल के बारे में, और धोनी जी स्वयं मोबाइल कब यूज़ करते हैं। महेंद्र सिंह धोनी एक मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड से हैं और आप सब जानते हैं, हम भी जानते हैं कि कैसे उन्होंने ऊंचाइयों को छुआ और कैसे भारत की क्रिकेट को एक ऐसे मुकाम पर ले गए जो आज के पहले दुनिया में कोई भी कप्तान नहीं कर पाया था। जी हाँ दोस्तों, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी दुनिया के एकमात्र ऐसे कप्तान हैं जिन्होंने भारत को क्रिकेट की उन बुलंदियों पर पहुंचाया है जो आज से पहले, उनसे पहले और अभी तक उनके बाद भी कोई नहीं कर पाया है। ऐसे महेंद्र सिंह धोनी से हम फेस टू फेस मिले तो जब हम आप लोगों से मिलते हैं तो हम क्या खाली हाथ मिलते हैं? नहीं ना। तो हम जब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी से मिलेंगे, एक लीजेंड से मिलेंगे, तो हम उनके लिए भी वैसी ही गिफ्ट तैयार करेंगे। तो हमने महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जी के लिए एक ऐसा गिफ्ट तैयार किया जो आपको इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। हमने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि इस वीडियो में किसी भी नोट या सिक्के की बात नहीं होगी, पर फिर भी चाहे हम कितना भी बचें, कितना भी हम उनसे दूर जाने की कोशिश करें, लेकिन नोट और सिक्के ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमें कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी तरीके से पकड़ ही लेते हैं। तो इसमें भी आपको कुछ नोट देखने को मिलेंगे और जानने को मिलेगा महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जी के पूरे जीवन के बारे में। जब हम उनसे मिले तो हमसे उन्होंने क्या बात की, हमने हमारे शहर के लिए क्या पूछा, उन्होंने क्या जवाब दिया। तो आप इस वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखिएगा। वीडियो अंग्रेजी और हिंदी की मिश्रित भाषा में शूट किया हुआ है, लेकिन आप वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहेंगे तो आपके जीवन में कुछ न कुछ चेंज अवश्य आएगा। आइए शुरू करते हैं।
Deshmukh, and I'm extremely thrilled and delighted as I welcome you all to this remarkable event. May I request for a big round of applause, everybody? Put your hands together. Thank you so much.
दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा होता है कि ये होगा होगा। आई फॉरगॉट वन मेन थिंग।
क्या?
कि यहाँ पे 90% वाले ना मोबाइल के साथ रहेंगे, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग फॉर देम इज अराउंड द मोबाइल फोन। सो इट्स गुड टू बी हियर। थैंक्स फॉर द वेलकम। इतने प्यार से उन्होंने वेलकम किया है। सो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि अभी जितना भी समय हम यहाँ बिताएंगे इट विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन। आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज द यंगस्टर्स, मोबाइल से थोड़ा दूर रहो। इनफैक्ट अगर मोबाइल देखना भी, अपार्ट फ्रॉम यू नो हाउ इट इज सपोज टू बी यूज, अगर इंस्टाग्राम में हो, ट्विटर में हो या दूसरे सोशल मीडिया साइट्स में हो, डोंट गेट इनटू रीडिंग द कमेंट्स। इज नीडेड आई बैट एट 5, 6 or 7. What does the team need from me as of now? So once I start thinking about the process that I need to follow when I'm there, I don't have enough time to think about whether I'm in form, I'm not in form. Did I score match runs in the last game? Whether this bowler got me out? So all these things become irrelevant. So again, you go back to the process. You have belief in yourself. क्योंकि क्रिकेट में फॉर्म एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो किसी ने देखा नहीं। यू नो, एक बंदा 3 मैच 4 मैच में 0 पे आउट हो जाता है, फिर वो 100 बना देता है। सो इट्स एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, फॉर्म इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट। You know, it comes in 10 minutes, it goes in 10 minutes. So we never know when that 10 minutes will come. So you have to be positive, you have to believe in the process, you have to be aware of the situation, and that's what gets you out of trouble.
You know, my father once told me this. He said ki, I asked him this once, saying I wonder if my wife feels vulnerable at some point. And then he looked at me and he said, एक पापा पे क्या जूझ रही होती है वो सिर्फ पापा ही जानते हैं.
I would 100% agree, you know, but again, as I said, when you have that extra role and responsibility of taking care of everyone that is around you, आप अपने जो भी दुख होता है या प्रॉब्लम होता है उसके बारे में थोड़ा कम सोचते हैं. And in a team sport, often, yes, the individual brilliance is there, but we rely on the team effort. तो कई बार दूसरे के हेल्प के कारण, लेट्स से आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ पैच जहाँ पे मैं बहुत अच्छे से स्ट्राइक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, यू नो, बट रन रेट ज़्यादा है, तो कई बार होता है कि मेरा जो पार्टनर होगा, यू नो, वेदर इट्स अ नंबर 4 बैट्समैन और 2-3 जो भी होगा, he gives me that few deliveries because he's scoring boundaries. Then we are converting those 1 runs into 2 runs or 2 runs into 3 runs. Those are the things that really help you. And same thing will happen to the other guy, and that time I need to take that responsibility. And that's what the team sport is all about. That's what needs to be done in a team environment. And often we think that team है तो sport होता है. No, it is applicable in business. It is applicable in a family, because family में भी आप एक team हो जाते हैं. So you have to look at it in a way that you're very positive about it, and you have to make the most of everybody who's around.
Sure.
Yeah, so most of my friends today who are in their 20s and 30s, they're very hungry for success. They want quick success. So as someone who has had such a fantastic career and has achieved so much in the eyes of the public, does it feel like there is more to achieve? Is that hunger still alive? Or if not, what's important to you today in life?
You know, right from the start, I was not into that people should remember me as a good cricketer. I always said, you know, I want to be remembered as a good human being. You know, and if you want to be a good human being, it's a process till you die. You know, so cricket to me is a part of life. You know, so once I started playing serious cricket, or once I started representing India, you'll play for India for 10 years, 15 years, 5 years, or 20 years. If you are, you know, if you start at an early age, maybe 20 years and beyond, but the whole thing is, it is still part of life. If I consider I'll live for, let's say, 60 years or 70 years, it's 1/3 of my life. So you want your life to be productive. You know, if I score run, I'm scoring runs for myself. But what is it I'm doing that I'm making it better for people who's around me? You know, so मैं ऐसा क्या कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे साथ का जो बैट्समैन है, you know, his life in the crease becomes easy for him. So for me, every day is important. I try to be the best version of myself, and that's what keeps me going. You know, and that is something that has kept me going for a very long time. And I don't think I'll change that perspective, because cricket will end, whether next year becomes my last year or the year after that. But again, it will be a part of my life. You know, that will have a comma or a full stop. You know, but the life continues.
मैं 5 और साल कम से कम.
1 year at a time.
मैं एक थोड़ा सा पर्सनल सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा मैं, क्योंकि मेरे को पर्सनल एडवाइस चाहिए. तो आई एम सिंगल, ओके, एंड आई फील लाइक, you know, when the rest of your life is so chaotic, having a partner who brings some sort of stability, that is very appealing to me now. कि बाकी दुनिया भर इतना काम है, इतना chaos चल रहा है, at least home life is sorted. Do you remember how your life changed when you found some stability in a relationship, in your personal life? Like, does it help? Does it help to have, you know?
How many of you are married over here? I don't know. I asked this question and a lot of people laugh. You know, it's a serious question. How many are married? So that's one. Second, how many of you have a girlfriend who's steady and you think you'll get married somewhere in the future?
ये कोई confess नहीं करेगा. इसमें मैं बार आपने how many of you have a girlfriend who will get married पूछ लिया, तो किसी को commit नहीं करना है अभी.
No, so the interesting thing is, it's how you look at it. You know, I feel as a man, all the masala in our life comes from the wife. You know, she keeps our life going. You know, you may be the captain of the Indian cricket team or the ex-captain of the Indian cricket team. It hardly matters to them.
It's a grounding factor.
Yeah. You have a place in the house. And usually it's not your choice.
आपको भी भेजती है धनिया लाने.
That's what I said. You may be the captain, you may not be the captain. And the best thing is, they will be like, सब कुछ तो तुम्हारा चलता है. Whatever you say gets done. Everything you want, you get it done. But the whole thing is, it's what they want that you are doing, and they make you feel you are doing it. It's your decision. So if something goes wrong, which can, they're like, तुमने decide किया. मैंने तो पहले ही बोला था. So they also help us in a big way, because life is chaotic, as you yourself said. Now imagine there's a trainer in the house that is training you how to control that chaos by creating chaos inside the house.
Practice and practice.
No, but whatever said and done, we all joke about it. That's a common thing. But they're the pillar of strength in the family. Whether it's my wife or if I see my mom, they are the ones who run the family. So I came from a middle class background. So my father will give the salary. After that, he doesn't ask her, how you will run the family. She has a budget, and now she has to run for whatever 30 days or 31 days. So they're excellent at it. अब बच्चे हैं, बच्चे को चॉकलेट खाना, आना उसी पैसे से. So they'll quickly reassign everything. Okay, yeah, this can be done. So I feel, they are the ones that bring that comfort into our family. You always fall back to them. You can ask them anything. Often when I'm frustrated, I take my frustration out on her. Which is not a good thing, and I have to eventually pay a heavy price. But that's how life is. So, if you find someone, that you're really happy with, please do get married. जो यहाँ पे बैचलर्स हैं, और जिनकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, उनका एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है, जो कि मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा बाय एंडिंग दिस आंसर. ये मत सोचना मेरी वाली अलग है.
Point where you care about money, and or do you still care, or what is the relationship with money?
Money is an important part of life, but at what price? So money also, it has an impact. So we all want to make money. So for some of us, we may think, I want to earn money because I want to make the life of my parents comfortable. कि अब ये जो है ना निफ्टी को तो यहाँ जाना ही है. 19,300 ये ब्रेक नहीं करेगा, ऐसा वैसा. अगले दिन ये वापस आए हैं, हम 18,800 पे बैठे हुए. नो they just अब तो ये नीचे जाने वाला है जी. It doesn't have a bottle anymore. So yeah, but it's interesting, but like nowadays it's very important for you guys to educate the newer generation, because they want to invest in stocks. What is the right way to do it? Again, don't look to multiply. Multiplication करोगे तो problem होगा. And interestingly now all the business channels will keep saying 95% of the FNO people, they undergo loss. But still people invest.
People do it. It's true.
Won a World Cup at home, and that new trend started where the home team came out winners. So that's the 13, as I said, it was a fresh team. But if I talk about the 15-20 minutes that's best in my mind was 2011 World Cup before winning. So 15-20 minutes before, in the Wankhede Stadium, it was clear that India will win the World Cup. They started chanting Vande Mataram, and the whole stadium was involved. That's the best.
Which is your favorite stadium? You would have played it in everywhere. Which is your favorite
It's
stadium?
very difficult to pick, but I have played the most in Chepauk.
Okay.
Because so from 2008 IPL started, and you have minimum 7 games. But at the same time, we have one franchisee that has not played a lot of games in their home stadium.
True.
Because we had various issues and everything, so we kept switching. We had played at Pune, we have played at different places. So I think out of the 15 years or 16 years, whatever it is, we have played like 7 or 8.
True.
So it's a lot of fun, and also the fact that the old stadium was very hot. So once they made the new stadium, it felt like Switzerland to us. So when other cricketers come and complain that it's very hot, and you're like, oh, you haven't played in the old stadium.
Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Praveen. I have one question only. Even though you have been a great inspiration for many people, right? You always come up with new things, right? So when we thought we are invited for this biggest event, right? When I see various kinds of reels, right, with your hairstyle, so every time I wonder how Mahi sir comes up with so many different kinds of things, right? And when I saw you directly, the overwhelming thing is to the next level. So I didn't have any question, to be honest, but I just wanted to express that. Your hairstyle is always good.
You don't have a question, I still have an answer. You don't want to change things or do things differently for the sake of doing it. Let's say, I'm heading a unit or something. the old guy who was leading, if he has set some good practices, mostly I do travel a lot, but not for vacations. You know, frankly, if you ask me, I have not been on a lot of vacations. So during my cricket playing time, mostly I would go to nations where cricket was there, and you know, I haven't seen a lot because I was like, okay, I'm here to play cricket, I'll play cricket and come back. So not a lot of fun that way. My wife loves to travel, so now our plan is that we are getting some time off. We want to travel, but we want to start from India. I said, you know, we have so many beautiful places over here. I would like to explore them first before, you know, heading to different places. So,
इंदौर आइएगा सर, इंदौर इंडिया की क्लीनेस्ट सिटी।
सर इंदौर हम होके आए हैं, वहाँ का जो इवनिंग का स्नैक्स है ना, एक एक किस्से लेके आप लोग के स्नैक्स इतने होते खत्म ही नहीं होते।
बचपन से बताया गया है कि आप ये सीखो, छोटों की रिस्पेक्ट करो, बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करो और सबको साथ में लेके चलो, डाउन टू अर्थ रहो। वो हमने सिर्फ पढ़ा, लेकिन सिखाया आपने है। जो जानते हैं कि मैं आपको भगवान मानता हूँ। जब भी चेन्नई का मैच जीतती है, मेरे घर पे सेलिब्रेशन होता है, लोग मेरा केक लेकर आते हैं। इस बार आपकी एक पिक थी सर जडेजा के साथ, तो मेरे दोस्तों ने वो क्रॉप करके मेरे केक पे लगा दी। वो मेरे लिए एक इमोशनल मोमेंट था। आपको इतना,
हम लोग हर साल आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और इसके साथ
मैं हर साल 7 जुलाई को वो अनाथ आश्रम जाता हूँ, बच्चों के साथ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करता हूँ। आपकी जो मूवी रिलीज हुई थी ऑब्वियसली बात है, वो हम लोगों ने पूरा थिएटर बुक किया था, पूरे भोपाल के एनजीओ को बच्चों को लेके गया था मैं। आपके जब उस टाइम पे फ्रेंड थे अरुण पांडे सर, उन्होंने भी पॉइंट किया था, ट्वीट किया था उस चीज़ को। मेरे को मतलब मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा आगे मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। अभी आपके पैर छुए, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए था लाइफ में। ये बेस्ट डे है लाइफ का। एक बस क्वेश्चन जो भी है, कल एक संजय बांगर जी का छोटा सा ट्वीट आया था, उन्होंने कहा कि आप 2019 वर्ल्ड कप पे आपको उन्होंने पहली बार बच्चों की तरह रोते हुए देखा था। वो सच है कि आप जेन्युइनली उतना रोए थे?
नहीं, इट्स अ 100% फैक्ट। एंड उसके पहले भी एक बार रोया था, दैट वाज 2015 में जब टेस्ट मैचेस से रिटायरमेंट लिया था तब, तो ड्रेसिंग रूम में हुआ था ये। एंड यू नो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंट्रोल एन इमोशन। एक क्लोज गेम जब आप हारे हो एंड इनसाइड मेरी प्लानिंग पूरी हो जाती है। सो टू मी दैट वाज द लास्ट डे आई प्लेड क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया। मैंने रिटायरमेंट 1 साल बाद ली, बट द फैक्ट वाज कि दैट डे आई रिटायर्ड। सो अब जैसे हम लोग के ना वो कुछ मशीन्स वगैरह दिए जाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, सो एवरी टाइम आई वेंट टू द ट्रेनर, आई गिव इट बैक टू हिम, लाइक नो यू कीप इट। मेरे मन में मैं इसको कैसे बताऊँ कि ये मैं अब ज़रूरत नहीं है, आई वोंट बी यूजिंग इट, बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट टू अनाउंस एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। सो या वंस यू आर हाई ऑन इमोशन, यू नो, एंड यू नो the only thing you have done in the last 12 years or 15 years is playing cricket, and then there's no more chance of you representing your country. You know, it's a very big thing when you represent your country. You know, there are so much of people, but only a few get a chance to represent the country. And sports person, they have that thing. So irrespective of which sport you play, जब आप खेलने के लिए जाते हैं, you're representing your country. आप कॉमनवेल्थ में जाएंगे, ओलंपिक्स में जाएंगे, या हम लोग आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट्स में जाते हैं, वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग आवर कंट्री। सो दैट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग। सो वंस आई क्विट क्रिकेट, देयर वाज नो वे आई वुड बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग माय कंट्री। आई एम एन इंडियन सिटीजन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट टू रिप्रेजेंट, टू ब्रिंग some glory for the country back. So all those things, you know, they are high on emotion at that point.
2 साल पहले आपके बर्थडे पे लद्दाख गया था, मतलब 2011 वर्ल्ड कप वाली जर्सी में पहन के पूरन में लद्दाख में अपनी बहन के साथ ही बाइक पे घूमा था। तो जिस दिन आपका बर्थडे था उस दिन ग्रीन वाली वो मिलिट्री वाली पूरी जर्सी पहनी थी, ट्राउजर एंड जैकेट। तो मेरे को मिलिट्री वाले ने रोका कि आप ये कलर पहन के नहीं घूम सकते। मैंने बोला ये धोनी की टी शर्ट है, मैं उनको वर्शिप करता हूँ। तो बोला अच्छा आप माही भाई के लिए, मैंने आज उनका बर्थडे है। तो मिलिट्री वालों ने मुझे जाने दिया कि ये माही भाई के लिए है तो आप जा सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। उन्होंने बाकायदा वायरलेस पे आर्मी वालों को बोला आगे कि एक लड़का आ रहा है माही भाई की टी शर्ट पहन के एनफील्ड पे, उसको रोकना मत। तो वो आर्मी वालों की भी लिए के दिल में आपके लिए इतनी रिस्पेक्ट है, वो हमने कभी इमेजिन नहीं किया था।
थैंक यू सर। इतना कुछ बोल आपका नाम भी नहीं बताया आपने।
अंशुल
डू एनीथिंग यू नो सिग्निफिकेंटली कि मैं ये सब सारी चीज़ें फॉलो करता हूँ। अगेन आई फॉल बैक टू, आई कीप इट वेरी सिंपल। यू नो आई ट्राई टू बी नाइस टू हूएवर इज अराउंड मी। यू नो सवेरे मैं रूम से निकला, उसके बाद जो भी मिला मुझे पहले मुझे हाउसकीपिंग वाले मिलेंगे, फिर होटल के स्टाफ मिलेंगे, अदर गेस्ट मिलेंगे। आई हैव टू बी द सेम टू एवरीवन। It shouldn't matter who the person is. So for me, that is more important. So that is something that I practice. I don't practice yoga. I'm not somebody who does meditation or anything. but I've kept life very simple. I'm very conscious of whatever is happening. I live in the present, so I'll be sitting here, I won't be thinking about anything else. अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ तो 100% यहाँ पे हूँ. So that is something that is important to me, and that is something that I follow. So you'll hardly see me do anything different.
Thank you so much for your question.
मेरे फादर का नाम पारस है. वो बोलते हैं कि मैं तो कहने के लिए पारस हूँ, बट ये बंदा असली में पारस है. जिसको छूता है वो गोल्ड हो जाता है. तो मुझे लगता है रिगी को भी अब कोई डर नहीं है. आपने उसको छू लिया है तो गोल्ड तो हो जाएगा.
We try to make it as comfortable for the individual, show him the path, talk to him about his strengths, and ultimately अगर आप देखो तो a lot of credit is given to me or the coaching staff, but ultimately cricket क्या होता है ना, it's a team sport, but it is also a lonely sport. जब एक बैट्समैन जाता है बैटिंग करने, बेचारा अकेला होता है. He has a partner, but imagine जब बॉलर वहाँ से भागना चालू करता है, ये अकेला होता है. So he has to fight his own thought processes and everything. Similarly, जब बॉलर रहता है, so there are people who will suggest him, but ultimately जब वो ready होता है, वो अकेला रहता है. So that final leap of faith needs to come from the individual. And I always felt is the individual that matters. क्योंकि हम 1000 चीज़ें बोल दें, जब तक इंडिविजुअल अपने बारे में बिलीव नहीं करेगा या खुद पे उसकी बिलीव नहीं होगी, जब तक वो अपने टैलेंट के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होगा, he won't be able to do it. So ultimately, I always try to give the credit to the individuals. हम suggest कर सकते, we are the supporting actors. Hero वो खुद होता है. And that's why it's very important for them to be mentally tough. Mental toughness is the key for that.
But how do you identify that strength in an individual?
I don't know, मेरे पास database ऐसा है कि मुझे दिखता है, in the sense, हाँ, मैं ऐसा consciously वीडियो एनालिस्ट के पास नहीं बैठता हूँ. ये I just see the individual, I've seen him long enough, मेरे वो feelings आती हैं. But it's not there for some of the youngsters. कोई youngster होता है जिसको मैंने देखा नहीं है खेलते हुए. So I like to observe. Initially I'll see what he does, how he is, what is his character, how different he is. So unless I know the individual, it's very difficult. हम लोग कई बार ऐसी suggestion देते रहते हैं, but it needs to be very specific. एक डंडे से पूरे herd को manage करना मुश्किल होता है. So we try to understand the individual first. Whatever his strength is, we try to use him according to his strength, and at the same time groom him around the weaknesses that he has got.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now that you have said, the first time that thought has come. I never thought that way. I don't know why. So World Cup खत्म हुआ, 2 दिन के बाद we had to report for IPL. So it was more like one thing is done, the next role and responsibilities start. So we just kept moving. So we never got the time to sit and think what has happened. We were very happy with what has happened. We were thankful to God because we had few red flags. That those red flags were not taken. So we are thankful to the God. But other than that, I personally never thought in any other way.
Thank you. Thank you.
So how do you, Virat, Rohit, all of you all as captains maintain that team spirit कि सब लोग साथ में equally joyfully cheer करें? Because at Rigi we are all becoming leaders of tomorrow. So we would need that advice.
I think what is important is to create that atmosphere. It can't be faked. You need an environment. You create an environment where everybody is happy. If I score a 50, I'll obviously be happy. But you need others in the team to be happy because you scored a 50. So that's the perfect kind of environment, that needs to be made, and it takes time. Because again, we have different set of problems. Somebody will be in form, somebody will be out of form, somebody may be injured. He'll be thinking about what are his chances of coming back into the dressing room. But ultimately, what it boils down to is, we may be 15 different individuals plus the support staff, but we are representing India. We have one goal, to win, try to win each and every game possible so that we win the tournament, whatever the tournament may be. So, me working hard on cricket will give me more results. Me working hard on something that I've never played, even if I work harder over there, I won't get the desired result. So again, I've always said honesty is the key. So as an individual, I have to be honest to myself. I need to say कि अच्छा मुझे पता है भाई क्या होने वाला है. I know how good I am and how good I can be. So honesty is also a key factor. So it's always training the mind, how to try and control the mind. It's the most or the toughest thing to control. But if you have the mind in your control, along with the emotion, emotionally जब आप high होते हैं तो a lot of times you take decisions emotionally. But what is important, you have to be rational. so emotion is there, but emotion shouldn't affect my decision. क्योंकि अगर मेरी decision गलत होगी, it will have a lot of impact on a lot of people. So coming back to honesty, mental strength, that ability to honestly portray in the best possible manner with the politest of words कि boss ये आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा, आप कुछ और करो. So that is the thing, so that he goes back motivated. And there may be instances where he or she may prove me wrong, but it was my honest opinion looking at whatever I was given. क्योंकि वो एक एक्सेप्शन के कारण मैं हजारों या लाखों दूसरे लोगों का लाइफ खराब करना नहीं चाहूँगा.
Thank you so much.
Well, growing up, it was Sachin Tendulkar. We always looked up to him. And when we were growing up, we are perfect. 81 के आसपास जो born होते हैं ना, we saw both the eras. Modern भी हम देख रहे हैं, previous भी हमने देखा है. आजकल के like ZY5 asked, कि what is a cassette? She doesn't know. So all those things. So we saw everything literally. So हमारे समय में there were not a lot of videos. ठीक है, टीवी पे मैचेस आते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट भी नहीं आता था. तो हम सबको गलतफहमी दिया, मैं भी सचिन की तरह बैटिंग करता हूँ. Then the first time when I saw my video, I was like, तू गली के जैसा ही बैटिंग करता है. But yes, growing up, we all looked up to him, as a cricketer, and also the fact that when he made his debut, he was very young, so he was playing with people just. I would just like to keep it very simple. Keep working hard. Keep smiling. Have a smile on your face when you're working, because that is one of the most difficult things to do. At the same time, take care of your colleagues, and try to take care of everybody who's around you. Other than that, very well done on what you have been doing. But again, it's a process. It's not something that we can do and sit and say, "Acha, humne kar diya." No, it's a constant process. The coming year, it will be much more interesting. There are new things lined up. But what is important is to keep working hard, keep reinventing yourself, keep learning every time you turn up in the office, and try to keep educated, others, whoever is around. So have a lot of fun.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for a very special message. We request you to continue with us. Tanmay and Sharan, thank you so much for patiently sitting through the Q&A session and for that fantastic session that we had with you. A big
जी, इंदौर से हूँ सर.
Your bags are immaculate.
MANU.
Yeah, correct.
राज आर्यजी, राज ज्ञानी भी लिख सकते हैं अगर आपको.
Raj better.
ओके.
Much more closer than.
थैंक यू सो मच.